wanna call you.
Welcome to Out of the World. We're still on the big world trip and we're still in Thailand. You saw us traveling here for a month now and it's almost time to leave, but not yet because this is the creme de la creme, Koh Phi Phi. In the last episode you saw our adventure in Krabi. And the boat leaves here 3 times a day to a beautiful island called Koh Phi Phi, which takes you about 1.5 hours. For us it's not the first time that we're on Koh Phi Phi. We were here before in 2015, about 7 years ago, long before Jens was even born. And now we're here looking for a good accommodation, which can be very expensive, but I found another treasure on the internet. For about 40 bucks we stay at this beautiful swimming pool next to the beach and we got this little cabin. I'll show you. The Phi Phi Villa Resort is located in a quiet place but not far from all the restaurants and attractions. With the drone I can see right away how stunningly beautiful this island is. It happens to be perfect weather today and that's not so common in the rain season on Koh Phi Phi. So that's why I'm gonna take you to the Phi Phi viewpoint with the most beautiful view over the entire island. And today we meet Marika and Leonard here, 2 friends of ours that we met before in Khao Sok. The 5 of us climbed to an amazing place. The walk in total takes us about 30 minutes and it's especially hard with a kid on your neck, I can tell you from experience. But the view is worth it very much. Look at this, guys. Wow. At the moment we're standing on the top of Koh Phi Phi Don, the largest in a total of 6 islands. Later on we get to visit some others. Today the weather is a little bit off, it's a bit cloudy, so I thought this would be the perfect day to do a little pub crawl in town. Let's go! Wow, there is a lot to experience on Koh Phi Phi. And we top off the evening with a real Thai fire show. Good morning, guys! Today is a wonderful day and it's time to explore the neighborhood. And with the neighborhood, I mean the sea around us. In Koh Phi Phi you can take many boat tours, and we're gonna take one for the whole day, which also goes to Maya Bay. And you really have to see Maya Bay. First, the boat takes us to Koh Phi Phi Leh, the second largest island here. The most famous bay is called Maya Bay, which became world famous as a secluded paradise in the movie The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio. The island of Koh Phi Phi Leh is kind of steep, so it's hard to get on land anywhere. It's also forbidden to go to Maya Bay in the off-season, which is today, unfortunately. So we went to Phi Leh Lagoon, and over there we can do some snorkeling on the other side of the island. The underwater world in Phi Leh Lagoon is breathtaking. We see so many different tropical fish, and the true highlight is this water snake. I later learned that it's 10 times more poisonous than a cobra, and I swam right beside him for a while. Luckily they don't bite too often. Wow guys, something terrible just happened. I found out that there is no beer on the next island. So we're having a 10-minute stop to go to 7-Eleven on Koh Phi Phi. Let's go. On to island number 3, and that's the more remote and uninhabited Bamboo Island. The kayak took us to Bamboo Island, and it's this small island, uninhabited, where you can walk a bit through the jungle and see all the sights. The weather is still not great, but the island is beautiful. Of course, an uninhabited island cannot go without a white Robinson Crusoe beach. And that's it guys for today's episode. We're gonna say goodbye to Koh Phi Phi and we're gonna say goodbye to Thailand because we're gonna move on to Indonesia. This world trip is far from over, so I'll see you there. First we visit the highlights of Java and then we go on to Paradise Island, Bali. So subscribe and I'll see you there.